In this assignment, we're going to talk about how to use the formula countif, countifs, and countblank. So we'll start step 1, make column A, B, and C fit their contents. All you have to do that is go to where the columns meet, wait till you get that double-sided arrow and double click, and it will size everything to fit the contents of the column. So you can see my columns are a lot smaller now because it fits the contents. Alright, step 2, use formulas to count how many of each shirt size is needed. So in this one, we're going to be using countif. So in extra small, I'm going to type equals countif, start my parentheses, okay, and I want it to count this column, and I want it to count only the ones that have an extra small. So since there's an XS in this cell, I should be able to just click that, and then I should be able to close my parentheses, hit enter, and so now I see that there's 3 extra smalls. And just to check this one, 1, 2, 3, okay? So I'm going to look at small, and so it should be the same formula. So what I can do here, and we'll check it, is I can just take this and I can drag it. Okay, and I'll just check another one just to be sure. So smalls, I should have 3. 1, 2, 3, and I know it's right. All right, awesome. This one says they charge more for XXL, so count how many XXLs will be needed using a formula. Since the formula is going to be the same. Equals countif, start it up, select the column where all the t-shirt sizes are. We want XXL, so I'm just going to click that, close parentheses, hit enter, tells me how many there are. Now I'll do the same thing for extra smalls, same formula, except for this time I'll click extra small. Alright, so down here we're going to have to use countifs, because it says use a formula to find out how many people who ordered mediums did not pay. So I need to know who ordered mediums, how many people who order mediums have not paid. So equals countifs, start my parentheses, and remember if we click right there, it turns on the help and we can see kind of some instructions. So the first is the criteria range number 1. So first I want it to decide all the ones that count in mediums. That's in this column, and medium is the one I'm looking for, so I'm going to click one of the ones that ordered a medium, an M. Alright, next thing they need to match up is in this column, and we're talking about people who did not pay. So the criteria we're looking for is an N, did not pay. Close my parentheses, press enter. So 3 people who ordered mediums did not pay. Now you're going to use very similar formula here, except for with larges and for people who did pay. And down here it says use a formula to find out how many people have not given their size. So that is ones like here, like Toby, right? He didn't give a size. So to do that with a formula, equals count blank, and I want it to count the number of blanks in this set, and I actually want to do this. Okay, I want to know the blanks in there. Enter. So there's 4 blanks, so 4 people didn't give their size. Use a formula to find out how many people did not leave their names. So you're going to do that same thing except for with this first column.